Good evening friends. In this video lecture, I will talk about the 16 most important MCQs based on the angiosperm. So question number 1, characteristics of angiosperm which distinguish them from the gymnosperm. Option number 1, presence of fruits and flowers, double fertilization and triploid endosperm formed after double fertilization, companion cells present in phloem and vessels in xylem, and fourth is the all of the above. So here correct answer will be the fourth, that is all of the above, which is the characteristics of angiosperm which is going to differ from gymnosperm. Question number 2, endosperm of angiosperm is a haploid structure, diploid, tetraploid, triploid. So here correct answer will be the triploid, that is 3x structure found into the angiosperm of endosperm. Question number 3, angiosperm that spreads over largest area. Option number A, Ficus bengalensis, Ficus religiosa, Ficus elastica, Sequoia giganteana. So here correct answer will be the Ficus bengalensis, which has the spread over largest area. It is the angiosperm. Question number 4, man-made angiosperm is option number 1, barley, second, maize, third, triticale, fourth, potato. So here correct answer will be the triticale, which is the man-made angiosperm. Question number 5, smallest angiosperm with the smallest flower is Wolffia is the smallest angiosperm and Lemna has the smallest flower. Lemna is the smallest angiosperm but Wolffia has the smallest flower. Lemna is the smallest angiosperm and Zostera has the smallest flower. None of the above statement is correct. So here correct answer will be the option number 1, Wolffia is the smallest angiosperm and Lemna has the smallest flower. Question number 6, which of the following is classified on the basis of number of cotyledons? Gymnosperm, embryophytes, angiosperm, tracheophytes. So here correct answer will be the angiosperms. On the basis of cotyledons, they have divided into monocot and dicot. Question number 7, the stamen in angiosperm is homologous to which part in gymnosperm and pteridophytes? Option number 1, microsporangium, second, microsporophyll, third, megasporophyll, fourth is the male gametophyte. So here correct answer will be the microsporophyll, which is similar to the gymnosperm of pteridophyte and gymnosperm and pteridophyte. This is the microsporophyll and it is similar to the stamen in angiosperm. Question number 8, a structure absent in angiosperm is option number 1, archegonium, second, pistil, third, microgametophyte, fourth is the megagametophyte. So here correct answer will be the archegonium, which is absent into the angiospermic plant. Question number 9, monocot are characterized by option fibrous root system, parallel venescent trimerous flower, two lateral cotyledons and U-still parallel vascular bundle. Option number 2, fibrous root system, parallel venescent trimerous flower, one cotyledon and atactostele scattered vascular bundle. Option number 3, fibrous root system, parallel venescent pentamerous flower and one cotyledon in embryo and atactostele. And fourth is the tap root system, parallel venescent trimerous flower, one cotyledons and U-still. So here that correct answer will be the option number B. Option number B is the correct answer. Means you can say fibrous root system found in monocot, parallel venescent in monocot, trimerous flower in monocot, and monocot means single cotyledons, and atactostele. Stele this type, atactostele, and this stele you can say it is a type of U-stele where the scattered vascular bundles only found. So this is the characteristics of the monocot in angiospermic plant. Question number 10th. Insectivorous plants are adapted to Option number soil deficient in sugar, soil deficient in nitrogen compound, soil deficient in trace element, soil in marshy. So here correct answer will be the soil deficient in nitrogen compounds, that insectivores plant adopt such type of the habitat. Question number 11. First known flowering plants appeared in which period? Option number 1 Jurassic period, option number 2 Silurian, option number 3 Cretaceous, option number 4 Carboniferous. So here correct answer will be the Jurassic period in which first known angiospermic plants appeared. Question number 12. Origin of angiospermic took place during in which era? Option number 1 Mesozoic era, option number 2 Cenozoic era, option number 3 Archaeozoic era, option number 4 Paleozoic era. So here correct answer will be the Mesozoic era, where the origin of angiosperm took place. Question number 13. A saprophytic angiosperm that absorbs humus through fungi, mycotrophic humus plant, is named as? Option number 1 Neotia, option number 2 Monotrapa, option number 3 is the Calorhiza, option number 4 all of these. So here correct answer will be the Neotia, which is the saprophytic angiosperm. Question number 14. The megasporophylla of vascular plant is analogous to which structure of angiospermic plant? Option number 1 stamen, option number 2 carpel or ovary, option number 3 ovule, and option number 4 leaf. So here correct answer will be the carpel or ovary, which is similar to the megasporophylla of vascular plants, analogous to structure of angiospermic plant. Question number 15. A rootless aquatic insectivore plants which traps water insects by its leaf bladders, also called bladderwort. Option number 1 Drosera, option number 2 Articularia, option number 3 Nepenthes, option number 4 Dania. So here correct answer is the Articularia, which is also known as the bladderwort, and it is the insectivore plant. Question number last. Biggest flower belong to angiospermic plant, which is partial stem parasite, partial root parasite, total root parasite, and total stem parasite. So here correct answer will be the total root parasite, which is the biggest flower belonging to the angiospermic plant, and it is the total root parasite. So this is the 16 most important MCQs based on the angiosperm. It will be helpful for NEET and other competitive exams.